Versatile gadgets for modern living at home and beyond, from smart home innovations to on-the-go essentials, these gadgets are designed to simplify, enhance, and inspire. Be sure to check out the links to all these amazing gadgets in the video description below. Meet the PetKit Pura Max Automatic Cat Litter Box, the ultimate solution for easy, hands-free cat care. This smart litter box automatically cleans up after your cat with advanced sensors, ensuring a fresh and odor-free environment at all times. It features a self-cleaning cycle that activates after each use, and with an app control, you can monitor your cat's health and manage settings right from your phone. Stay hydrated and tech-savvy with the Tuya Bluetooth Smart Water Bottle. This innovative bottle tracks your water intake and syncs effortlessly with your smartphone through the Tuya app, giving you real-time updates and hydration reminders. Its sleek design includes a temperature display so you can enjoy your drink just the way you like it. Looking for a reliable, wire-free video doorbell? The IMOU Video Doorbell 2S is packed with features to keep your home secure and convenient. With its 30-degree pan lens, you'll get a wide-angle view to catch every detail at your doorstep. The smart human detection filters out false alerts, notifying you only when someone is at the door. Are you tired of messy soap spills and constant refills? Introducing the Aki Rechargeable Automatic Soap Dispenser. With its sleek design and touchless operation, this dispenser delivers the perfect amount of soap every time, keeping your hands and countertops clean. Simply charge it via USB and enjoy a long-lasting battery life for hassle-free use. Whether it's for your kitchen or bathroom, the Aki dispenser promotes hygiene and convenience, making hand washing a breeze. Let's take a quick look at the Eufy C220 Smart Lock, a robust security upgrade for any door. With its 5-in-1 keyless entry, you can unlock it using the Eufy app, a fingerprint scanner, a PIN code, or even a physical key for backup. The C220 is built for durability with a sleek, weatherproof design that handles whatever the elements throw at it. It also offers an auto-lock function and advanced security protocols to keep your home safe. Looking for the ultimate in oral hygiene? The Tao Clean UV Sanitizing Sonic Toothbrush and Cleaning Station is your perfect solution. This smart toothbrush not only delivers powerful sonic vibrations for an effective clean, but it also uses UVC light technology to sanitize the brush head after every use, killing 99.9% of germs. The sleek cleaning station keeps your toothbrush protected and charged, ensuring it's ready to go for your next brushing session. Looking to monitor your home's climate effortlessly? The Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Temperature Humidity Sensor is the perfect solution. This compact device tracks real-time temperature and humidity levels, sending alerts directly to your smartphone via the Tuya Smart app. Whether you're at home or away, you can stay informed and adjust your environment for maximum comfort. Plus, it easily integrates with other smart home systems for automated actions like controlling your HVAC. It's simple, smart, and ensures your home stays just the way you like it. Are you ready to upgrade your space with the JoyBuzz Smart Sensor Trash Can? This electric trash bin combines modern convenience with hygiene, featuring a built-in smart sensor for hands-free operation. With just a wave of your hand, the lid opens automatically, making it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and offices. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any room, and the quiet, smooth-closing lid keeps things discreet. Looking for a smart, efficient way to keep your home clean? Meet the Lictrue C30B Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This little powerhouse combines precision and power with its intelligent mapping technology and strong suction, effortlessly handling dirt, dust, and pet hair on any floor type. Its slim design allows it to reach tight spaces, and with its smart app control, you can schedule cleanings anytime, anywhere. The world of effortless cleaning with the Abir WD-8 Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner. This innovative gadget is designed to tackle your windows with ease, eliminating dirt and grime without you lifting a finger. With its advanced suction technology and smart navigation system, the WD-8 glides over glass surfaces, ensuring a streak-free shine every time. Meet the Lictrue HCR09, your new window cleaning superhero. This intelligent robot effortlessly glides across your glass surfaces, using advanced suction technology to cling securely while its powerful cleaning pads scrub away dirt and grime. With features like real-time navigation and an automatic water spray system, it ensures streak-free results every time. Are you tired of juggling between vacuuming and mopping? Get ready for John RED12. Wet Dry Smart Vacuum, your ultimate all-in-one cleaning solution. This powerhouse not only vacuums and mops simultaneously, but also features smart sensor technology to adapt to different floor types for a spotless clean. With its lightweight design, long-lasting battery, and easy self-cleaning system, the Jonar ED12 makes cleaning faster and more effortless than ever. Shoes Dryer Machine. This compact portable device dries your footwear quickly and safely, eliminating odors and bacteria. Perfect for all shoe types, sneakers, boots, even delicate materials, it uses advanced temperature control to keep your shoes in perfect condition. No more waiting hours or worrying about dampness ruining your footwear. This innovative gadget combines a sunrise simulation alarm clock with a fast wireless charger and an RGB night light. Wake up gently with customizable sunrise settings that gradually brighten to mimic natural light, helping you start your day feeling refreshed. Plus, it doubles as an intelligent atmosphere lamp with various color options, perfect for setting the mood. And if that's not enough, it features a Bluetooth speaker for your favorite tunes. It's the ultimate bedside companion for a modern lifestyle. Looking for a sleek, modern way to wake up? The Mirror digital alarm clock with LED display is your perfect bedside companion. Not only does it show the time with bright, easy-to-read numbers, but its mirror finish also doubles as a handy reflection for quick morning checks. It features adjustable brightness, a snooze function, and can be powered via USB, making it super versatile. Looking for quick muscle relief on the go? Meet the Mukazi Massage Gun Portable Percussion Pistol Massager. This compact powerhouse offers deep tissue relief with customizable speed settings, making it perfect for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone dealing with sore muscles. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and designed for precision, helping to improve blood flow, reduce tension, and speed up recovery. If you struggle with chronic neck and shoulder pain, this cervical neck traction device might be the game changer you've been looking for. It works by gently stretching the neck muscles, relieving pressure on nerves, reducing stiffness, and improving circulation. Simply secure the device, adjust to your comfort level, and let it do the work. Are you looking for a quick, relaxing way to relieve stress and tension? Introducing the Momota Smart Massage Helmet, your ultimate 3-in-1 solution for head, eye, and neck relief. This innovative device uses airbag compression for a soothing eye massage, vibration therapy for your neck, and gentle head massage technology to target pressure points. Introducing the Ivy Smart Planter, the perfect solution for indoor gardening enthusiasts. This USB rechargeable flower pot not only adds a touch of elegance to your home, but also takes the guesswork out of plant care. With its built-in sensor, the Ivy Smart Planter monitors soil moisture levels, ensuring your plants get the right amount of water at the right time. Looking to upgrade your dental routine? Meet the FairyWheel P11 Sonic Whitening Electric Toothbrush, a powerful choice for a cleaner, whiter smile. With 62,000 brush movements per minute, the P11 removes up to 10 times more plaque than a manual brush, tackling stains for that fresh, polished look. It features 3 modes: clean, soft, and massage, making it ideal for sensitive gums or a deep cleaning experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Review Palace and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. All the gadgets featured today are linked in the description below, so feel free to check them out.